So the symptom that we were getting off of this was a hum. If you look right there, there's a shielding not connected to the ground. And me and the customer both thought that was probably the issue, because he pulled this out, took some shims out of it to lower the action, took some shims out and lowered the action. But while he was doing it, he thought he might have yanked on this, and sure enough he did. So we will solder this back, strip it back a little bit, solder, and it should be as good as it was in 1970. I'll give you a demo in a little bit. It's over. Reassembled, reattached, everything, and it works. It's great. The wiring harness I used these little Velcro strips. So one on each side to attach it in there. Turn the amp up a little bit here. I'll tell you more about that amp in a little bit. So yeah. So there she goes. All right. See you guys.